In this session, we are going to look at unique function. Unique function helps to get the unique data from the selected range. So in this data, if you see, we have countries and we have data till row 89. So here, if I see the filter, let's take Australia. So I have 4 times. Okay, similarly, I have same country appearing for multiple times. Like if you take Nigeria here and also Nigeria here. So all the countries we have duplicated item. So now what I want is, I want only unique data to be in the separate column or separate cell. Okay. So now to do that, start with unique. So the simple step, just select the column. That's it. So this is the range. Now you can see the unique data. Okay, so here you cannot see any duplication. Let me reduce the size. So now you can see. So how many countries you have? 22 countries. To validate that, let me do it through option. So I'll paste it. Select the data. Go to data and then remove duplicates. This is the option to remove the duplicates. Just press OK. See, same 22. So either you can use option or you can also use formula to remove the duplicates. Hope you understood. Thanks for watching this video. We will see you in another video. Bye bye.